I'm gonna break your video.
All right, go in the room. I'm gonna take my phone though. So, hello YouTube. Today is BP exclusive and
Brittany.
There's more of us coming whenever they get here. We are only people that was off today, so we started without them. So today we're gonna be doing a paint and sip video. We got our wine, and then like this is the picture that we're gonna be painting.
It's dope, y'all.
It's super cool. Like I found it on Google. So this is the picture we're gonna be painting, and we're kind of waiting for everybody. No, actually we're done waiting for everybody. So we're actually gonna start painting and stuff. So when they get here, they get here. So yeah. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay. So I'm gonna say let you guys know what products we're using. I got these boards from Walmart, 3 for $5. So I got like 2 of them, 2 packs of them. And I got the apple, like it came in like a 12 pack. Is it 12 in them? 12 pack of colors for $5. And wine from a store. And this is the Galley.
It's pineapple something.
Sweet pineapple. That's the flavor.
It's
so that's what we'll be drinking right now.
This is my second glass. And we took some shots before this, so.
We did, so we're a little. Let's see if we can paint and do this. So with the picture, how are you gonna start? I think I'm gonna
Well, I'm not gonna do the blue. We're both kind of gonna do. Are you doing the pink still?
Yeah, I'm doing pink.
We're doing pink, so we got our colors here on this board. Obviously mostly pink because pink is going to be our background versus the blue.
Yeah, so we're going to do a background of the picture first, and then we'll color her in brown. I hope. Do I have brown? Okay, I do.
Yeah, we have brown.
Awesome.
And I have a pencil because after I'm done doing my background, I'm a cheater, so I'm going to outline her hair and her body. So
yes. Thank you so much.
Did you see my notes?
Good. I know, they're cute. Dang, it's kind of like this paint is got some little chunks of like
stuff in it.
Yeah, so
I think it'll work. This ain't perfect.
Dang, I got some purple in here. Oh, that's fine. So cute. Alright, that actually works. Purple and some pink.
It's good we got red. Oh, we still have more pinks.
Yeah, more pink and
if not, we got red and white to make some more pink, so whatever.
The pink is all gone.
oh yeah, I like how this is.
I know. This is I just thought about it. How am I supposed to use like my pencil? That's what I should.
Damn, I'm going in with the black.
Right, I have to just go for it.
Yeah, honestly.
Well, we'll see how that goes. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me see.
I ain't even. Yeah.
Which I don't even know.
Share that one. So it's basically like the whole
I'm gonna
thing.
use this because this looks like a contour. I mean a contour.
But like I don't know, this one looks too thick.
That's too thick. I would use one of these. Like
Yeah, so if I want to make it thicker, no, that's too skinny.
I said this one, like this one, but it's too hard. I would have picked this one. You see the one I picked? I got the ankle one.
Oh, that's perfect.
I want this.
Wow, I'm nervous. Okay.
Me too. I don't want to mess up.
Damn, this is stressful, y'all.
I'm gonna add the picture.
Maybe I
Put
should
this
have,
in the
like,
water.
No,
drank some.
you can put it on your picture.
Alright, fuck it. Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm finna. What are you talking about? Actually, this easy as hell.
Okay. Top of the fro. Done.
I'm stressed out. Okay. Wow. My shit fucked up.
Like her
already.
head too big. Like her crown too big.
Hell yeah,
I wanna
my
start
crown too big,
over.
bro. No.
Look at my picture.
Look at her fat nose ass. What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? Yo, she got a fat ass nose. Whatever. That's so
Yeah,
portrait.
like I'm actually mad because I really want to hang this up. And
I'm hanging my shit up. I drew this shit.
I'm better at freehanding. What the heck? I can like copy somebody. Okay, so.
You're so.
Wow.
Fuck was I?
So we got that part. Some more curliness.
Oh, it's like an easy fix though. I like that.
Okay, I could just go over this with pink.
I fall in love too easily. 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 I fall in love.
It looks gold.
Bitch, I told you I was gonna make my goal.
Hold on. Let me use that paint.
Girl, fucking freshman year, she taught us how to do that.
Oh, that really like works.
Cute, I saw it. Yeah. What you got? Hey, bro.
I see you in a long time.
I know. Y'all phony as fuck.
Huh?
What?
Why was I invited
I
yesterday?
said y'all.
You and Alex, like they
We
were
invited you to
yesterday. I had to work the next morning.
You were off the next day.
No, I wasn't. I had picked up a shift.
Oh.
That's why I didn't come. Ooh, chips and guac. Walking me out.
We painted.
Let me have some.
We painted.
too easily. I fall in love 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 too easily.
Okay, I'm coming. It's coming right up. I'm coming.
Okay.
All the way. I'm coming too. Ah. Where are my glasses? You did my show. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Hey, no.
Wait, no. Why you got a marker? What you about to do with that?
How about marker? You are another one.
Should I put a line through her lips or should I leave them like that?
Well, I kind of like how they did it there. You should kind of ombre them too. No?
I tried that and worked out for me.
Just make sure you do like a cute little thing. Oh, hey, boo, Cupid.
Young Bakugo, do you realize that you were able to smile in the face of defeat? I can't wait to see how much stronger you both get.
I know what color to do her lips.
Oh. Actually, that purple looked nice, but like it just matches the background.
Why is it
Or
white at the
blue?
bottom?
Because I didn't finish painting
Oh, okay.
purple.